Hey guys, so one of my batteries, 12S2P, I built sort of won't charge anymore because if I go through the BMS, it's below. Right now, you'll see it's at 37.92. Basically below voltage where a 12S charger won't charge. So I'm trying to set it so it will charge to 42 volts. So I'm gonna leave it tonight, and hopefully it's gonna charge it up. But yeah, right now I'm not sure. But the good thing is I can put any connector here and put any kind of battery and set my voltage. At full, it's supposed to be 50 .4004 volts. So I can change the voltage very easily. I can say, okay, I want to charge to 49 volts and hit enter. And let's see what it does. So this is like a custom charger. You can really play with the voltage and just really charge it the way you want to. So I'll report on the results tomorrow, see if I can revive this battery, because I think it's just the voltage went low and it wouldn't charge up through the BMS. So I'm going to charge it up to a certain amount until I can use a regular charger to balance charge it through the BMS. But right now the voltage is going up, as you can see, and it's charging it up. So hopefully this works, then I can revive many batteries, dead electric escape board batteries that you thought it was dead, but you could revive it with two like this.